Folder for your escape challenge, you're going to want to locate your Google Forms that you already labeled Notepad. Go ahead, double click on that and write a brief description, something along the lines of the clues you find are going to be entered here. Remember, all letters need to be capitalized, things like that. Next, you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on the question or the untitled question. You'll see over here it says multiple choice. For each of these, you're going to be clicking on short answer. For your question, all you're going to do is title the room. So if you come back here and you look at your checklist, if you've been keeping up with your checklist and writing everything down, you'll already have your rooms labeled as well as the answers that you need. So I'm going to go ahead and let's use this room. I'm going to go back to my notepad, title it Yellowstone, and then you'll see it says short answer text. Now what you're going to do next is very important. In the lower right hand corner, there are these 3 dots. Go ahead, click that, and then click on response validation. This is where you are going to enter the answer, so your students are not able to complete the escape room and the entire challenge until each of these components are correct. So instead of number, click on text. Contains is good, and where it says text, that's where you're going to put the answer as it's supposed to appear, as the students are supposed to type it. So if you said all capital letters, it'll need to be all capital letters. Going back to my checklist, I already have my answer here. Go ahead and Control C, copy that. Control V to paste it. Now this is very important as well. You must type something where it says custom error text, or it actually will tell your students what the correct answer is after they start typing. So you are able to type anything you want. It could be something funny. It could be as simple as keep trying. Now, once you've gone ahead and added that, make sure you click required and it toggles to the other side. It should light up in purple or whatever color you choose. And then you can go ahead and you can add your next one. So going through, you'll start with the room, multiple choice, and sometimes depending on what you say, it pre-selects one of these for you. It doesn't really matter, just make sure that you choose short answer. Down here, response validation. That's why the checklist is really important and really beneficial, because as you go through, it keeps you organized. There we go, and it all saves automatically. It says saving up here. Now this little red asterisk just indicates that it's required. You need to make sure each of these are required. And you're going to go through, you'll enter all of these. And what I like to do up here where it says answer validation is as I go through, so I just did Yellowstone. Again, Command C, Command V, just did Grand Canyon. This way I am keeping track and making sure that I have done what I needed to do. And when you put the time in here to do it, you're not really having to troubleshoot because you're not coming up with issues once the game goes live for your students.